Hey dear kids, today we'll learn about fruits. Are you ready? Let's start. Strawberry. Look magic. Wow. Strawberry. Banana. Banana. Wow. Berry. Blueberry. Wow. Avocado. Look at this. Avocado. Pineapple. Pineapple. Look, it's a splash. Do you like pineapple juice? Lemon. Lemon. Pear. Pear. Dragon fruit. Dragon fruit. Look, it's magic. Melon. Melon. It's magic. Grapes. Do you like grapes? Look, it's magic. Grapes. Apple. Apple. Magic. Blackberry. Blackberries. Magic. Mango. Mango. Orange. Orange. Red berries. Red berries. Peach. Peach. Watermelon. Watermelon. Cherry. Cherry. Oh wow. Kiwi. Kiwi. Coconut. Coconut. Very well done. You did it.